Ready to stop renting and start living? Welcome to Highland Park in White House, Tennessee, where homeownership is simple, affordable, and designed just for you. I'm Jackie, and I can't wait to show you around. At Highland Park, low-maintenance condos await with a variety of options to fit your lifestyle. Whether you're looking for everything on one level, a modern layout with 2 private bedroom suites so you and your roommate can each have a space of your own, or a home with up to 3 bedrooms for your growing family, our community has it all. And with low-maintenance living built right in, you'll spend less time on chores and more time enjoying your home. Here, convenience is key. You'll be just steps from Kroger for easy grocery runs and minutes from White House Municipal Park, home to an 18-hole disc golf course, Rover's Ridge Dog Park, volleyball and basketball courts, baseball and football fields, and more. It's like having a full weekend itinerary right in your backyard. Hungry? Local favorites like Tavern 76, Molly Pazzo Italian, Neil's Poorhouse and Grub, and The Hole, a speakeasy-style spot, are all less than a mile away. Whether it's date night or takeout, you're covered. And with I-65 only 1.5 miles from your home, commuting to downtown Nashville is a breeze. When you build with us, you're never alone. Our team makes the process easy from start to finish, guiding you through financing, keeping you updated on your home's progress, and supporting you long after you move in with a new home warranty and in-house customer care team. What are you waiting for? Join the interest list for Highland Park today to be the first to call our community home. We can't wait to meet you soon.